Transform your Tron mass payments with Tron Multisender, a tool that allows you to send Tron transactions to multiple addresses in just a single transaction, making mass payments faster and more efficient. By reducing gas fees and making your payment process easier, Tron Multisender offers a more secure and efficient way to manage your Tron mass payments. In this guide, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to use Tron Multisender for faster and more efficient mass payments. Whether you're a Tron beginner or a seasoned crypto user, our guide will equip you with the knowledge to optimize your Tron transactions. Today's video is proudly brought to you by MyCryptoView, your all-in-one crypto platform. With MyCryptoView, you can write and share reviews, get answers to all your crypto questions, track and analyze exchange inflows and outflows, and explore powerful tools like the Multisender and Token Generator. Plus, you can stake MCV tokens and unlock even more features. MyCryptoView truly has it all for every crypto enthusiast. Step 1. Go to MyCryptoView official Tron Multisender website via the link in this video description. Step 2. Log into TronLink and make sure that your network is set to Tron Mainnet, or if you are already logged in and your network is set to Tron Mainnet, then skip this step to Step 3. Step 3. Click the Connect button on MyCryptoView Tron Multisender. Step 4. Click the green button to select the token option. Step 5. Input the token contract address in the input field, or click the Search Token button as per the second screen of this step to automatically detect your tokens if you don't know the contract address. Step 6. You can follow this step to auto-create your airdrop list with our tool and click on Auto Create Address and Amount. Step 7. Input the amount and paste the addresses in the text box and click Confirm to download the Excel in the required format. No need to format the addresses with commas. Step 8. Upload the XLSX or CSV addresses or manually input the addresses and amount. Step 9. Click the Approve button and wait for the Confirm button to display. Step 10. Click Confirm and wait for your transactions to complete. Once your transaction is complete, you should see it displayed on the screen as shown in the video. Sign up for more crypto tools and educational crypto topics at mycryptoview.com and subscribe to our channel.